This video is only for educational purpose. I have no harmful intents behind this. At first you have to download file and VirtualBox latest version. I have downloaded 5.1 version. You may get more latest than this. Let's install the VirtualBox. It's preparing to install. Install via following through these steps. Allow all these steps during installing. It's installed. Let's finish. Now it's open. Let's install macOS Cydia in the VirtualBox. Click on New tab. Type select macOS X. Let's try to find the version. Here I can't find the latest version 10.12. So I will choose macOS 64-bit. Let's name your OS. Let's allocate memory. I recommend to allocate more than 3 GB memory. Let's select use an existing virtual hard disk and select the VMDK file. Let's select the virtual disk image file format and open it. Let's create. It's created. Now we have to make some changes. So go to setting, go to advanced, go to description and go to system again. Unselect floppy, go to display, give maximum video memory you can, and go to processor and try to give 2 core processor. And select OK. Now it's selected. And one more thing we have to do, select the name of your machine and copy it. When you will download the virtual machine, you will always get a key for VirtualBox, this type of text document. Open the document. Your virtual machine name, replace this name with your virtual machine name. and now open CMD. Select the virtual drive path. And here write CD and paste the virtual drive path. And now paste all the code. I am using 5.0x, so I am going to use these codes. After pasting all the lines, close Notepad and close CMD. Then again open VirtualBox. Select the OS and start it. And wait. Now your OS is running and installing. It may take a few minutes. Now I think my account is created, as I have used this OS before in this machine, so my account is created and I am going to enter in this virtual machine with password I have predefined. Shit. Now your Mac OS is ready.